So now we are looking into the sport registrations for event using MakeMyPass. So the method that we are using here is the registration through the admin dashboard or admin site. So from the admin dashboard we can do the transaction in two different ways. One will be the digital transaction and another one is through cash in hand. So let us look into it how we can set up these two processes. So the first thing we are considering as a digital transaction. So for that purpose, initially we have created an event called event in MakeMyPass, which is already having a professional pass which is already sold out. So in this case, the user need to present at the event to get the spot registration. So this is the dashboard for the event. So the first thing that you have to do is like creating a ticket for spot registration only. So you can see that we have created two different tickets. The one is professional pass, which is already sold out, and we have created a new ticket which is called sport registration, and also we have enabled the invite only to true, because it is an invite only ticket which should not be shown in the public page. So we have enabled the invite only, and we have set the pricing like, let's say, 2500, and just updating the ticket, and also we set the limit or the capacity as well. So what we have to do is like go to the guest page, and under the guests we can see that there is something called add guest. So once you click the add guest, you can see that ticket type under the professional pass is already sold out, and we can see that the spot registration ticket over here. So once you click it, the ticket is already selected, and you can see the price breakdown over here, and you need to click the next button and fill the details of the participant and hit the submit button. Once you hit the submit button, as it's a digital transaction, you will be redirected to the Razorpay page, and you can see that the UPI QR code over here. So you can show this QR code for the user, and they can easily pay out using any UPI apps that they are having. So another use case, we can see that I am just hitting the close button and just coming back again. There is another option. You can see that over here there is something called cash in hand. So once you click the spot registration and you are collecting the amount over physically, you can enable this cash in hand option. So basically what this is doing is like there will be no payment gateway over here. The user will be directly added with the given details. Once the details is submitted, the user is already added to the guest list. You can see that over here. So once you've done it, you can see that the user is already paid 2500 for the ticket, and which is invited by the user who is already logged in over here. So this is how you will be able to track the entire process using this spot registration. So once again, I just want to share that we have done the digital transaction method, which is the UPI QR code method, and another one is the cash in hand method. This will be useful for spot registration for events using MakeMyPass. So thank you.